Deep in the jungles of Central America rose one of the most brilliant civilizations in history. The Maya mastered astronomy, mathematics, and time without metal or wheels. Their cities rivaled the greatest urban centers of the ancient world. Then the climate began to change. Droughts grew longer and harsher. Their civilization collapsed from within. Climate stress, overuse of land, and internal conflict. Cities were abandoned, and the jungle slowly took them back. Centuries later, the jungle revealed what history had forgotten. Sometimes, the greatest danger is ignoring the warning signs.